Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class students for math class. Today we are going to explain nature of roots. Nature of roots. Quadratic equation has the two roots. ఈ quadratic equation నుంచి జనరలైజ్ చేస్తూ ఒక డెరివేషన్ చేసి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. ఎలాగో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. సో ద ఫస్ట్ జనరల్ quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ax square plus bx is equal, take c right side become minus c. This is the first step. Multiply 4a with on both sides. Multiply with 4a on both sides. దీన్ని 4a పెట్టి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 4a square x square plus 4abx is equal to minus 4ac. యాడ్ బీ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఇరువైపులా బీ స్క్వేర్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, you write 4a square x square is equal to 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is like a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Then you have to write a plus 2ax plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. 2ax is equal to root over b square minus 4ac. రూట్ ఉంటే దానికి ముందు ఎప్పుడు కూడా ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 2ax is equal to take the b right side becomes minus a. 2ax is equal to plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac minus b. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we get two distinct real roots. First one x alpha, you say the alpha is equal to minus b plus root over b square minus 4a by 2a. One root. Another root beta is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the roots of the general quadratic equation. Don't forget it. So here you observe b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Don't forget it. Copy it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends.